I have a confession to make. I am so high right now. No, not that kind of high. This kind.
That's because I'm currently in Colorado, America's highest state. At over 1 mile above sea level on average, Colorado is much higher than any state in the US. Here you'll find the tallest mountains, the steepest terrain, and even cities that are almost 2 miles above sea level.
As it turns out, living the high life has some insane effects. Some are good, and some are bad. But we're gonna save the best for last.
In high places like Colorado, the air gets thinner, which means each breath you take gives your lungs and brain less oxygen to work with. About 30% less, which makes even walking up the stairs feel like you're running. And roughly 1 in 4 will experience high altitude sickness, which comes with all the fun side effects of a hangover, but sometimes worse. Headaches, feeling tired for no reason, lightheadedness and dizziness, lack of appetite, trouble sleeping, and even vomiting.
Hey Mitch, are you okay?
And even if your appetite is still strong, because the air is less dense, everything takes longer to cook. Now, I know what you're thinking.
Wow, sounds like living the high life sucks.
The good news is, the good outweighs the bad. Here, let me show you.
The thin air that once made it hard to breathe makes you hit a golf ball like Tiger Woods.
It's like you're playing golf on the moon.
Baseballs and footballs go further too, making you better than you actually are. Also, going to high altitude can help you shred pounds easily.
I've been here 2 weeks. I'm down 4 pounds. Crazy.
That's because high altitude reduces your appetite, speeds up your metabolism over time. So if you train at altitude and go back to sea level, you will be superhuman. This is why many athletes and Olympians train right here in Colorado.
But what's really interesting is how long people live right here. See, the average lifespan for someone in the United States is 78.5 years.
But in Aspen, Colorado, it's 86.5 years. That's an extra 8 years added to your life.
I'd be dead as dirt if I lived at sea level.
And some studies show that coronavirus struggles to survive at higher altitudes.
Yes! Altitude fights COVID!
Health, nature, and thin air.
Living at altitude can be pretty difficult and even dangerous for some. But once you get used to it, a place like Colorado will take your breath away in more ways than one. Yeah, what are you doing? Get it. Get it. Get it. Get it.